What's up, everyone? Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf with another online consistent money review system that I love. You know why I love it? Because it has leverage. So first off, as you know, the OCM version 2.0 is live. So now's the time to smash subscribe, hit the bell, stay close to this. I have some updated bonuses towards the end. So you're going to want to watch this. So what is this? This is online consistent money. What are we? We are a affiliate marketing company that offers traffic for any business. So you are the source and the source gets paid. We have 3 product packages. We have a gold. You get 10% off on the gold. We have a platinum. You're going to get 20% off traffic on the platinum for a lifetime. We have diamond. You're going to get 40% off. That's brand new. So what does it pay? 800, 2400, and 4000. So what are you going to do right now to get started with this, and what am I going to do to help you? So first, you're going to smash the subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into the description. You're going to see this page in the description right here. You're going to see this page in the description and the first comment. Just going to put your email address in there, and you're going to ask yourself this question. Do you want to make 800, 2400, and 4000 that we make for you? Yes, folks, I told you to wait a little bit. I want to make sure we make the sales for you, and I'm going to show you how. So once you put your phone, your email address, just not even your name, just your email address in here, you're going to get access. And what that's going to do, that's going to take you to what we call a bridge page. And you don't have to worry about any of this terminology. We do it all for you. You're going to watch this video because this website that you see right here is going to be done for you. So all the setup's done for you. Everything's done for you. All we do is send eyeballs, and I'm going to show you how I bonus out the eyeballs on every product package, because I had someone ask me, do I do it on one? I said no, but guess what? Now I'm going to get the feedback of my leads, of my team, and I want to give back the traffic. So you're going to want to stay to the end, because this is very, 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 very big in your business right now. So after you watch all of this right here, you're just going to click here to see the products. And what that's going to do, this is going to explain the product in full, okay? So you definitely want to watch how traffic works. As you can see with that computer, all you have is people coming to your link. The autoresponder goes out, and guess what, folks? They're they're speaking to your leads. That's another surprise right there. Yes, that's right, folks. So when you come down to here, if you have any questions after reviewing, which you may have questions, we love the questions. You're going to call this number, 1-800-576-2917. Tell them Scott Darvid sent you. They're going to answer all your questions. They're selling like I'm selling, because when I will make a commission off of what their efforts are. That's what you call leverage, and you're going to do the same thing because you need to be in the membership, just like Carol right here. She's very happy with the OCM system. I do have 2 bonuses I want to point out. Bonus number 1, you do not need to speak to anyone. We do all the selling and telling for you. Yes, as I just explained, we have a phone number, we have a team. Even the team texts, the follow-up, everything's done by them. So they close the sales for you. Bonus number 2, we make the sales for you, and you keep 100% of the commission, just as if you would if you sold it yourself, as I just said before. Very, very, very powerful. And these $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions are going to go directly to you, but you never did any of the work or any of the talking to the leads. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. We got Dan F from Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days. Very, very nice payday. You know what I mean, for 4 days. Yes, we do the work. You keep 100% of the commissions. All right, we're gonna keep scrolling down here. Michael from Alabama. He is 4,200 in just 3 weeks. Congratulations, Mike. I mean, right here, if you look behind me, that's my 50K trophy with OCM right there, award, and I'm approaching 100K now. So we're going to scroll down a little bit more here, and what I want to show you is another one, OCM Kevin, 6,400 in just 1 week. Those weeks are nice when you're making 6,400 in just 1 week. And you know what's nice about this whole entire thing? This is Bob. It's a family-owned business, and he's very personable and into his business, and he's very intimate into his business. That's what I like. So how do you join? So here, if you click here, it's going to give you a step-by-step list of what you need to do. Step-by-step, very simple, very limited on your end. And we do have the option for zero out-of-pocket financing. Okay, folks? That we do have that option for zero out-of-pocket. So let's get back. So what are you going to do when you get started here in the online consistent money? If you get started at gold, which is 1,000, okay, where you're going to get a lifetime of 10% off on the gold membership traffic, you're going to get a 10% discount, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you 100 clicks, okay? If you start here, that's a new bonus, 100 clicks, okay? When you start here, all right? And now we have the platinum. Platinum's nice, that pays, and the gold pays 800, platinum pays 2,400, though that's where you want to be with that 2,400. It's a nice range of a commission right there. And what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to send you 300 clicks when you get started with the platinum. And diamond, that's where I'm at. I didn't see leaving any money on the table because I know this system converts. I've seen it. I've seen the testimonials before I joined a year ago. So now I'm very, very happy with this. So boom, diamond levels now 40% off, traffic for life. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down here. When you start at the diamond, which pays $4,000 commissions, guess what, folks? I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks. All right, folks? You're getting 1,000 clicks to your capture page that looks just like this. And that's it, folks. Make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. I look forward to working with you. Please reach out to me after calling my team. Remember, this is done for you. No guessing, no time needed, you don't need anything. All you need to do is plug into here and let us do the work for you. And if you have a job, this is the perfect way to fire your boss like I did in 2016. And let me leave you with this. Ask yourself, would $800, $2,400, or $4,000 per sale make a difference in your life? I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.